Hi everyone. Today we are going to dig into complementary and supplementary angles a bit more. We did discuss these last Wednesday or Thursday, and today we're going to solve some problems with them. So real quick, I want to redefine complementary and supplementary so that we are all on the same page. Complementary angles is when the sum of the angles is 90 degrees. So we have 2, 3, as many angles as the problem gives, and they all have to equal 90 degrees. One way to help you remember this is to make your C a 9, and then right here we have 90 degrees. So again, complementary, make that C a 9, and you can remember 90 degrees. Supplementary, on the other hand, is when the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. And of course, there's a trick for this one too. You can make your S an 8, 180. So again, supplementary, make your S an 8. 180 degrees. So the hardest part is just remembering that complementary is 90, supplementary is 180, but hopefully that trick will help you. Let's go ahead on to the first problem. So find the missing angle below. So we're given one angle is 28, second angle is x, and we need to decide are these complementary or supplementary. With this square in the corner, this tells us that it is 90 degrees, which means that these two angles are complementary. So we know that the angle x plus the angle 28 has to equal 90. And now this is a simple one-step equation. We can draw our story. We're going to do plus 28 minus 28. Or if we think of story and we know that on the top arrow we're going to add 28 and on the bottom we're going to minus, we can just subtract 28 out from both sides. And we have x equals 62 degrees. So we know that this missing angle in our picture is 62 degrees. Pretty simple. Let's try another one. What angle is supplementary to 74? Supplementary, again, tells us 180. So I know that one of our angles, actually let's draw a picture. So 180 is a straight line. We have one angle is 74 degrees, and we need to find the other angle. So again, we're going to write an equation. Angle x plus the 74 degree angle has to equal 180. And again, simply subtract out the angle we have to find x. And we have x equals 106 degrees. So our missing angle is 106. And we can always go back and double check and add those up. 106 plus 74, 10, 8, 180. It does check out. And last one, tiny bit harder, but shouldn't be anything that we can't handle. Find the missing angle below. But here you can see our complementary angle, 90 degrees, is split into 3 separate pieces. That's okay. We know that all 3 of those pieces have to equal 90 degrees. So I'm simply going to say that angle x plus the 15 degree angle plus the 38 degree angle has to equal 90. We can combine like terms, our numbers. So 38 plus 15, it's 13, 40, 53. So we know that these two angles together are 53 degrees. So we still need to find our angle x, the missing angle. once we add them together, this looks just like the problem we did before. So we can subtract 53 from both sides, and our missing angle is 37 degrees. And again, if you want to double check, add those all up. We have 37 plus 15, 12, 40, 50, plus 38, 10, 8, 90 degrees. It checks out, so we know that 37 was the correct answer. There are your notes for today. Go ahead and do the problems on your own, and then you can do the practice worksheet.